So how you doing? So we're gonna make a cool video here today. I've actually been waiting all day to do this. It's been high 90s, pushing into the 100 range. So the sun just now crested over the hill, so I'm in the shade now. I waited all day for this. But you ready? We're gonna make a cool video. Let me show you what we're gonna do. All right, so this is a stock Homelite Super XL Auto. She's got the 3/4 wrap handlebar on it. But she's set up with a 20-inch bar, super doopy safety chain. So we're not gonna do this any favors. All right. Then I'm gonna come over here. I found a piece of softwood that I can make a couple of test cuts on. So we're gonna make probably 2 test cuts here with that saw on the softwood. Then here's the next cool part. Okay, so then I'm gonna pull the bar off and I'm gonna move it over to here, which is the Super XL Auto that I ported. And we're gonna make 2 more test cuts. Now hopefully this test works. I have not ran this saw in at least a year, so she's got fresh gas in it and we're gonna see what happens. Hopefully this turns out the way I'd like it to. Now I'm thinking about doing another video similar to this, except I'm thinking about running this ported Homelite up against the Echo 4910 that Charles built for us. So I'm thinking about doing that as well, and I don't know, we might put that on the next video. Tell me if you guys want to see that, the ported Homelite against the ported 4910. The Homelite is 58 cc and I think the Echo is around 50. So, you know, I think that'd be kind of a cool video to see those 2 up. But there's going to be a difference though, because I'll have to run this saw with its chain and this saw with its chain, because this one's on 325 and this one's on 3/8. So, you know, it wouldn't be a equal comparison as far as bar and chain goes, but you know, it'd just be kind of cool to see how the 2 saws stack up against each other, you know what I mean? But tell me what you think. Maybe we'll put that on the next video. Alrighty, so what do you say we get on with this and see if we can get this video to happen? I'm gonna try to start this up and get it tuned, and then we'll go to town. Alrighty. All right, we're swapped. Now, let's give it another try and see how much performance gain we got out of the ported Homelite. Alrighty. Alrighty, so, being here at the moment, not watching the video, I'm going to say the Porter one's definitely faster. I couldn't tell about the torque, but I think the RPM gain is the main difference. So if you're familiar with these saws and you've run them a lot, my Porter one seems to be running just a little torqueier and, definitely more RPM. Now this saw is intended to go to Simple Man, and I'm pretty certain he'll enjoy it. She seems to run pretty good. I'm not having any issues getting it started. So she seems to be running pretty good. All my tests have been coming out pretty solid. I mean, the last time you saw this saw cut to this time, I didn't have to tweak the carb at all. So that's a good sign. That's the exact same tune I ran the last time. And that's kind of what I've been looking for. If it seems to change every time you start it, you might have something going on, or you just might not be broken completely or something. So, sometimes you got to do some tweaking. But between the last time and this time, she's still tuned identical. So I'm pretty happy about that. Now, tell me what you think. If you'd like to see a mashup between the 4910 and this Super XL Auto, to see what kind of a difference they are in the cut. Alrighty. So, hey, we'll catch you on the next one. Later.